vlogged in over a year. That ends today. These fruit snacks are pretty good. And my nails. Aren't these so pretty? I got these from the TikTok shop. They're so pretty. I love the bows. So I know I've been gone for over a year, but I'm literally rebranding everything. I'm rebranding my Instagram. I'm rebranding my YouTube. You probably already see it now. TikTok. I have them in my notes. I definitely want to create more content, more hair content on Instagram. Like just all about hair. For example, like how to tell if you need your ends trimmed, why deep conditioning is important, solution to frizzy hair, my hair journey, you know, different hairstyles, challenges, reviews, and like just reasons why you should love your hair. I want to do that for Instagram. TikTok, I do like fun video skits, just more of my personality. And then YouTube, I want to do vlogs, and I think just vlogs for YouTube. I just love vlogging. I miss it so much. I've been gone for so long. That's because I've been focused on TikTok and Instagram. But I just want to focus on YouTube right now. I am breaking out. And you guys, my under eyes are so bad. I've been so tired. But my problem is I go to sleep late because that's me time. And I'm pretty sure a lot of moms can relate. But like, your girl doesn't get a break until after the kids go to bed. So I have no choice. And then I get stuck in my phone and blah, blah, blah. And I'm just like, it ends up being like 1 o'clock in the morning and I gotta wake up at 7. It's just, I need to get my life together. Okay, dishes are washed, and now I'm about to make some chicken wings. I'm gonna make some fried chicken wings for dinner today. So right now I'm about to make the flour mixture, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let the chicken marinate in milk with eggs. So you whisk it together, let it sit, add the seasoning, let it sit for a minute, and then you go ahead and dip it into your flour and fry it. If there ain't no color, there ain't no seasoning. Okay. I got my mixture right here, and then I'm gonna use the same spices for the chicken. Look at this. Look at this. Acting like he been working all day. My Amazon package just got here, and I want to show you guys what it is. It's a cute little 2-piece lounge set. So let me go ahead and put it on because I want to try it on. Whatever material this is, give me 14 of them right now because, girl, this feels so good and I look cute. Very cute. Very cutesy. No, seriously though. This is such a comfortable loungewear. I'm going to link it in my description box because y'all need one right now. A matter of fact, I need more colors, okay? I need more colors because this is real cute. Yeah, you need this. Can't tell me that chicken don't look good. I want to make sure it's cooked. I ain't eating no raw ass chicken. Chicken look good. I'm about to put y'all on something. So whenever you're frying something and your house just smells, all you need is water, a little sprinkle of cinnamon, and a little dash of dish soap. And your house will be smelling so good. Just like that. You put a little more. And if you want to use real cinnamon sticks, you can. But yeah, just leave that there, let it just boil, and your house will smell so good. This is my dinner. I'm gonna add some honey barbecue and Asian zing sauce to the wings because I love me some Asian zing. And I also love me some honey barbecue. I'm so hungry. I want to try chicken though. I'm gonna make these more often. This is the end of the vlog today. Say goodnight.